Hey, what's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be doing a pocket knife review. This isn't the original box, but got it a few years ago. I was in the Boy Scouts, so yeah, I was selling popcorn and I got a knife. You can pick these up around $30, Walmart, or your local store. Like any store that has any stores that have knives. So here, let me show you. This is the knife. Definitely fuck somebody up with that. The saw. This. And that. Okay. Plus a light. Knife gun. A Phillips screwdriver. And one of those cork thingies that you can undo your wine bottles. I think something you shave something down with, or like pick dirt out of with. There, you guys can see that little point. So yeah, so definitely pick this video. Definitely like this video and have sex with that like button. Pick this knife up. Maybe I'll pick another one up and give it away. Yeah, so, subscribe, it's free. Uh, remember to friend me on Xbox, on Fox for Jam 5. Okay. Bye, guys. Stay flexible.